Hello guys, thank you so much for opening this video. This is Trading with Saincha. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and follow me on Instagram. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I made $500 in profit trading NASDAQ as well as US30 in just a couple of hours, less than 3 hours or 2 hours. So let's check it out. Okay, so let's start by analyzing NASDAQ. I'll show you guys how I took the trade. Pretty simple. So when you look at this chart, you can see that the market reversed at the top here after creating a double top. This is a double top on the higher time frames. Your neckline would be right here, right? So this would be your neckline, and then this is a double top. So, it comes to reason why the market reversed this way, right? So now with the neckline broken, market wants to retest. This is what I saw. This is what I thought of. The market was just trying to retest. My analysis was based on this corrective structure right here. My trade was because of this corrective structure. So basically, I was trading within the corrective structure. So now all I had to do was draw the trend line. The trend line was somewhere from here to here, and I dragged my trend line like this because I understood that if the market is retesting, it wants to retest this neckline. So if I'm going to enter buys anywhere here, my exit will be right here on that retest or close to that retest, right? So I drew my channel like this because with the corrective structure, I want to see the type of pattern that the market is trying to create. And that's why I drew my trend lines like this. So now I did not place my trades based on the 1 hour time frame. I used the 15-minute time frame to analyze for my entry. Within this corrective structure, you can clearly see the impulse waves and the corrective structures that the market was forming. Impulse wave here, corrective structure here, impulse wave, correction, impulse wave, and now we are correcting. This may also look like a reversal because of the head and shoulder right here, meaning that the market will no longer be pushing up, but it will drop to the downside. This is why we have a head and shoulder right here, right? That's a possibility. So now coming back to the entry, when you are looking at my entry right here on the screen right now, my entry was based on this chart pattern right here. As soon as the market broke this flag, I was able to take the buys. And remember, I told you that my point of exit was right here on the neckline. So as soon as the market got there, I was able to take my profits. Okay, so now let's have a look at US30. And as you can see here, this is where I initially set my entry to take an entry for US30, but I missed the trade. Basically, I missed entering right here. And so I entered right here, right on that price level right there. And before we continue, let me just remove all of this. I'll show you how I analyzed. So it's the same thing with NASDAQ, but with US30, we did not know what we were retesting. There was no retest. It was just one huge corrective structure because of this impulse wave. The broker that I am using here, you can see it's Coinexx. This broker is so helpful when it comes to trading NASDAQ and US30 with the spreads. The spreads are really, really low. It is a pure ECN broker from a decade. It has a negative balance protection, high chances of probability, and there's no KYC. So basically, this means that, there's no verification required. All you have to do is just verify your email, open an account, and start trading, right? The deposits are very quick because you can only deposit using crypto. So any crypto that you have, you can deposit using that crypto and start trading. withdrawals are processed within 24 hours. My withdrawal was processed and I'm very, very happy. So click the link in the description below and open a live account and start trading. So partnering with Coinexx, we are going to be giving away a funded account, right? So the only way to qualify is to have a live account with them. And next week, we are giving away a funded account. We'll upload a new video to explain how the giveaway will go. And yeah, you can win a funded account trading with Coinexx, and you can jumpstart your trading career if you broke. Okay, so now let's analyze US30. With US30, I did the analysis on the 1 hour time frame, and I was able to see a channel, right? So with this channel right here, you can see that we have impulse waves within corrective structure, impulse wave correction, impulse wave correction. So that's what is happening here. The last wave for me was because of this corrective structure, right? I can put the trend line to accommodate for this new high right there, or just put it right here. As you can see, this would have acted as a retest, right? But I'm just going to use this one. And then our 90% rule for this channel right here, or this pattern right there, is right there, right? So the entry was somewhere around here and then it hit up. Now we are basically correcting. We'll look at the lower time frames to see exactly what the market is trying to do. But either way, the entry was supposed to be right here, actually, you guys. Right here. As soon as the market broke out, the entry was supposed to be right here because of this rejection here, breakout, retest, right? And then I missed the entry the same way that I missed the entry for NASDAQ. Is exactly what happened here with US30. But then as soon as the market breaks the previous high, I was able to take an entry right there. So now market pushed up and now it's correcting, right? If it's really correcting to push up, then target will be reached. And then if market successfully breaks out and then decides to push up, then we'll find entry opportunities again. But on the 15-minute time frame, you can see this looks like a head and shoulder, same thing we saw with NASDAQ, right? It looks like a head and shoulder and market will just drop. But then when you clearly see on the lower time frames that, oh, after an impulse, there's a corrective structure, right? Here's the clear picture of the head and shoulder that I see. And, with the head and shoulder, you just wait for the market to break the neckline. And then after the neckline, market drops, right? Or retest, and then it drops. But if this is not a head and shoulder, then just wait for the market to break the corrective structure for entry towards the upside, right? That's all you can do. So you guys, that is how I was able to trade US30 and NASDAQ and make $500 in profits, also in just a couple of hours. So thank you guys so much for opening this video. Don't forget about the giveaway. The video will be uploaded this week to explain how to qualify for the giveaway. Thank you so much. Like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.